Alright gang, it's February 11, 2025. This is the kill list for Apple Valley. Got Sally, Angela, Annie, Erwin, Winnie, Rufus, Kylie, Cove, Lindy, Tawny, Lilith, Scotty, Maria, Slimer, might be a Cane Corso, I'm not sure. Here's Cheeto, Lays, Ruffles, Jake, Miranda, Polo, Adopted, transferred to Devore, and adopted. Unreal. That's a definitely heavy kill place. Marco, Cookie, owner dump, Apple, Helen, Demi, Dorito, Darla, Eileen, Jack, Bruce, Anchor, Banjo, Good Day, Oreo, Astrid, Adopted, Erwin. Yeah, okay, so Layla. Let's take a look at who they killed. Look at that guy, beautiful. Louie. So these guys all got killed, all brothers, siblings. Really sad. Transferred to Devore. It's as good as dead. Randy, Serena, Joey, Chandler, executed. They missed out on 400 plus there. Oh, no, we just got these, just came in, I guess. Mama, Aurora, and 6 puppies. And I think these puppies can be adopted out individually. They need to get out before they kill them with parvo. Okay, we're at 227. So Josiah and Ozzie, beautiful dogs, got sent to Devore. That's a death sentence. Let's take a look and see if let's see their Devore page. A lot of dogs, man. I'm gonna have to make a longer video for all the other shelters. Oh, just the sheer volume of these beautiful dogs are just killing left and right is unreal. It's just, Hitler would have just been so proud of this. These people don't give a flying fuck. I think this is this Ozzie? Ozzie, yeah, this is little Ozzie. He's over here at San Bernardino with his brother, Josiah. Have we got some contact info on here? Oh, there it is, okay. So he's over at San Bernardino, Devore. There's the phone number, there's the street address, there's the email. Please help Ozzie. He's a sweet little dog. I can't find the one with Josiah. This is his brother, and he's also at Devore. Okay, that's 4 minutes. Gotta go. Catch you on next YouTube.